Hello everybody and welcome back to Manifested Finesse on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Guy. That is my Twitter, TikTok, podcast, and Instagram. All the links are down below, and my affirmations list and audio Rampage emails down below. And my Master Manifestation Workshop, where we have a new audio bundle with Rampages, meditations, subliminals, and affirmation sleep tapes on princess treatment out now. And today I'm going to be doing a Rampage for receiving princess treatment, manifesting princess treatment. Let's go. You are always receiving princess treatment. You are spoiled. You are adored. You are courted. You are respected. You are beautiful. You are magnetic. You are a magnet for the best treatment. You are a magnet for getting spoiled. You are a magnet for getting prioritized. You are a magnet for commitment. You always get the commitment. You always get consistency. You always get the best opportunities. You are so lucky. You are the luckiest person in your entire reality. You receive the best treatment ever. You are always taken care of. Your needs are always met. People always anticipate your every need. People are always there for you. Whatever you need, everybody always bends over backwards to give to you. You are always shown love, appreciation, and admiration. You are always put first. You are on everybody's pedestal. You are on your pedestal. You are number one. You are number one in your whole reality. You are treated like royalty. You are given the absolute most royal treatment. You are always spoiled. You are always taken care of. You never have to say anything. You never have to voice your needs. You are always showered. You are showered in compliments. You are showered in gifts. You are showered in admiration. Anything you need is automatically given to you, is automatically handed to you on a silver platter. You relax every single day. You get to do what you want every single day. You get to do what you want with your energy, with your time, each and every single day. You are taken seriously. You are the only one that anyone ever sees. You are deserving of this treatment. You feel safe receiving princess treatment. You feel worthy receiving princess treatment. You feel valued. You feel comfortable when people go out of their way for you. You feel comfortable receiving the best. You feel comfortable receiving gifts and money and respect and love, and you feel comfortable being put first. You feel comfortable being everybody's number one option. You are more than deserving. You are confident in yourself. You are confident in your abilities. You are getting princess treatment from the people that you want to get it from. You are getting courted from the people that you want to get courted from. You are getting commitment from the people that you want to get commitment from. You are getting consistency from the people you want to get consistency from. Everybody in your reality is changing to give you the ultimate princess treatment. You receive the ultimate princess treatment. You are living your ultimate princess treatment life. You love waking up to the best news, to the best opportunities, to the best circumstances. You are always placed in the best circumstances where people are able to go all out for you. People always go all out for you. People love to show you off. You are the best thing that has ever happened to this reality, that has ever happened to this timeline, that has ever happened to this world. You are everybody's number one. You are the ultimate prize. You are the ultimate person. You are more than worthy and deserving of this princess treatment. You are more than worthy and deserving of the best lifestyle. You live the most princess treatment lifestyle. You are never stressed. You never worry. You are free. You feel safe. You feel adored. You feel taken care of. You never have to worry. You never have to worry about lack. You are living in your most abundant timeline. You are always living in abundance. Princess treatment is your birthright. Abundance is your birthright. Being taken care of is your birthright. Being spoiled is your birthright. You are worthy and deserving of this ultimate treatment. Now, you receive it all now. You receive it fast. You receive it effortlessly. You receive it consistently. It is normal for you. It is the norm for you to be receiving princess treatment. You couldn't imagine a reality where you're receiving anything less. You never receive anything less. You always receive the most and the best treatment now. And with that being said, that is all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, you can have anything you want in this universe. Nothing's too big, small, wide, or expensive. I believe in you. You should believe in you. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.